Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to easily flip an image in Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. There are a couple of ways to flip an image. I'm going to show you two different methods. First, go to the image menu in the menu bar, select image rotation, and choose either flip canvas horizontal or flip canvas vertical to flip the entire image. Keep in mind that with this method you cannot select a specific layer, it flips the entire canvas. Let's see how to flip a specific layer. Click on the layer you wish to flip in the Layers panel. If it's the background layer, ensure it's unlocked by clicking on the padlock symbol next to the layer name. Press Ctrl+T, or CMD+T on Mac, to activate the transform mode. Right-click on the image and from the context menu, choose either flip horizontal or flip vertical as needed. By following these steps you can flip a particular layer in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.